going to disrupt us. I didn't know how, I didn't know when, but I knew something massive was going to happen. And I kept saying it, AI is going to disrupt us, AI is going to disrupt us, AI is going to disrupt us. But here's the thing, I didn't really know how, okay? And then I came across AI agents. Not chatbots, not prompts, actual systems that can reason, take action, and run parts of your business for you. And that's when it all clicked. This is it. This is the thing that's gonna change everything. If you knew how big social media was going to be, you would have jumped on it early. If you knew what the internet was going to become, you would have built on it so fast. If you knew cars were the future, you'd have ditched your horse the second you could. This is bigger than all of that. Bigger than the internet, bigger than electricity. Think about that. This video, I'm gonna show you what AI agents really are, how they work, what they can do, and why getting in early might be the most important move you make this decade. Let's get into it. So first questions first, what is an AI agent, right? Is ChatGPT an AI agent? It's not. It's not a chatbot. It's not some random automation. An AI agent's a smart digital worker that understands the business goals, chooses tools, and executes tasks all on its own. So think of it like hiring someone who doesn't need sleep, someone who doesn't complain, someone who doesn't need any annual leave, doesn't need micromanagement, never needs a break, is on 24/7, always shows up, always in a good mood, isn't going to quit and go and work somewhere else, and knows how to figure things out using the systems and tools that you've built in your business. It's not a fad. It's not a hype thing. We're entering a world where normal software isn't enough anymore. Most software still works like a calculator. Like you have to do something and then you get an output. An AI agent doesn't work like that. They reason, they decide, they think for themselves, they orchestrate, and then they can execute using the tools you give them. Let me give you an example from our agencies. We built an AI agent that reads every new lead that books a call. So anyone who books a call, it then goes, looks them up on LinkedIn, finds their details, analyzes their whole website, and then summarizes the business in a Slack message. So we get a message to us so that we are fully prepared for the call and understand the best approach. And it tells us how we actually fit in to their business. So what angle to approach the call from. It's fully automated, zero salary, no days off. This isn't hype. It's already replacing SDRs and ops managers and VAs. It's here, it's now. It's not a, let's see how it goes for the next 12 months. It's not, let's see where this goes and maybe I'll hop on in 2 years. It's fucking now. I promise you, this is, I can't even explain it. This is the time. Like you've got an opportunity. Most people won't jump on and then they'll look back this time and think, oh gee, I wish I'd taken advantage earlier. I wish I'd got on earlier. Here are just a few agents that we've built in our business. So Sales Copilot agent, what I just mentioned, makes every sales call feel like you're walking in with cheat codes. You're walking in fully prepared, everything about their history, what they like, where they've worked, the company details, and then how we fit in. Oh, you guys do this, we do this too. And then like, oh, you guys did your research. Customer support agent. So sends the team a breakdown of tasks, checks due dates, chases people on Slack if stuff's overdue. We've got content ideation agent. So pulls all sorts of data, recent interaction, past scopes, creates drafts. We've got outreach agents. So scrapes leads, personalized cold DMs, cold email outreach. There's an agent right now on my LinkedIn adding builders all across Australia and sending them a personalized message based on the information on their profile. I know what you're thinking. Can they replace you? And the answer is yes, but not yet. And honestly, not for a while, but it's coming. They will replace you if you're doing work that could have or should have been automated, right? What an AI agent can't do is it can't think big. It can't create strategy. It can't build relationships. That's your role. Your role becomes you're the CEO of all these systems. You're not just a doer, right? You don't do the do. You now manage agents doing the do. So your team members now, even in your team, they will go from having to do the do themselves to now having 3 agents under them, and the agents are doing all of the heavy lifting and they get to just manage those agents. So they become managers of agents. Here's the part where most people get the AI agent thing wrong. You got to understand your business and how it all works. Everyone tries to plug an AI or an AI agent into a broken system. Before building agents, you need clear roles and clear outcomes, right? They need to be repeatable tasks. You need to have centralized tools so that it can go and take all the information from everywhere. You need to have everything documented. And then you need to have systems set up so that it can pull the information you would have otherwise given your team. Then you teach the agent how to think like you. That's what we help clients with, not just setting up AI, but designing the systems that actually scale with it. The biggest mistakes people make with this is they think agents are set and forget, right? And they're not. They're like junior team members. You've got to train them, review their work, gradually give them more responsibility, build them up. So, should you use one? If you're drowning in tasks, if you're paying 5 people to do repetitive admin, or if you just want to scale your business without adding a headcount. If you have repetitive tasks in your business or particular things that you want to be doing that you need to spend time at a computer to do, that can be automated, that can be handled by an agent, then yeah, this is your next move. Here's my tip. Get in early. Don't wait for everyone else to get on board. You get the early mover advantage by being the early mover. Now, if you're still watching this video and you think, yeah, I don't know, I don't know if this is the way. This is the equivalent of me coming to you in 2009 and saying, hey, record videos for your business. And you look at me like, record videos in 2009. This is that, but bigger. 2 options. 1, you can try and duct tape the whole thing together yourself and see how you go. Or 2, you can let us help you build one properly. If you're curious what an AI agent could look like in your business, I've dropped a link below to book a call. If you're more of a DIY operator, jump into our school program and learn how to build it yourself. We're going to share everything with you, every single step of the process. We've got playbooks and walkthroughs. Whatever you do, don't wait. The businesses that move first will dominate. I promise you. Bigger than electricity. You heard it here first. Guys, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if this has helped you in any way. All right, there's going to be more AI agent breakdowns coming up, and don't forget to click the link below, sign up to the program. I promise you, it's the greatest thing.